Welcome back to Smashing 101 Camcorder. What's left of it. So now it's the little brats.
Dun dun dun!
Who get the hammer?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. I get the...
She gets the hammer, you get the bat. Take a piece, you two.
I've been working on the railroad. Oh, the livelong camera days.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna survive after this. Next time, you might be smashing a little Lightning McQueen bike. That's sitting right there.
I've been watching that road.
I think they're getting tired. Maybe we should let, as you know, it's part 2. So. Wow, that kid with the bat's really doing it. The little brat boy's doing it.
What change? Yes.
Uh-oh. No. Sparks are gonna fly.
We're gonna run.
Yeah, let's run.
Yeah, Emma, I did that.
Wait, put it on me and show me running.
Run. I think we're done with that little camera now.
This is what's left of what the little brats, the little shit ones did.